Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we're going to model an ear, not actually modeling but sculpting. So first we're going to flatten the surface where we're going to imprint the ear. Use the flatten tool in the Mudbox, Autodesk Mudbox. Next thing, you're going to increase the level of detail, so we're going to step up the subdivision level. You're going to use the Shift and the D. So the next thing, we're going to imprint the ear. In the stencil tool, there's an ear there, so I'm going to imprint it. Make sure the stamp is so, and then start sculpting it. Sculpt it repeatedly. Just to make it look more appealing, so we're going to use the grab tool or maybe sculpt tool. So at some point then you're going to maybe flatten it in the back of the ear.